Okay, let's start with the tutorial. So we have here this tutorial is for beginners, and I will be guiding you on how to develop a website on your own, and and but before that, I'm going to take you to the what is the meaning of web development. So web development, according to a web Wikipedia, okay, web development is the work involved in developing a web-based developing a website for the internet's world wide web, or an intranet, a private network. Among web professionals, web development usually refers to the main non-designed aspects of building websites: writing, markup, and coding. So web development is this is what Wikipedia said, and for this tutorial, maybe you will be able to become a web developer, or if you want to become a front-end web development and a web or a back-end developer. It's up to you, but just for now, you have just to do as I say and listen, and even if you are not you're not in fun in coding, and even if you are not an IT professionals, you will learn how to make your own website. Just stay with me for this tutorials, and I will grant your wishes. No, I will teach you how to make a website in my tutorials. Okay, so next, okay, objective of these tutorials is you will have knowledge about the foundation of all websites, okay, and you will learn the basic HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and how to use them. Okay, you will learn how to program the back end of your websites, and you will learn how to deploy your website in live in action. Okay, so first things first, our tools to be used is, I pick Sublime Text. Install in your computers the Sublime Text editor, or any text editor that you are comfortable to use too, and our server Apache software for our server-side client, the XAMPP. So I will include these softwares, the links, to be so that you can download it. Okay. So the steps, these are the steps. So number one is familiarize HTML tags. And number two, okay, so number one is HTML tags. So what is the meaning of HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language. So HTML is the foundation of all websites. Okay, this is if we if we refer it to a building or any structures, this is the building with no design. Okay, with no paint, no plumbing, no electricity. That's the simple HTML. Okay, that's the markup. Okay, so number two is know how to use CSS. Okay, what is CSS? CSS is a cascading style sheet. Okay, this is what we are going to use if we design a website. Okay, and if we refer to a structure, it is the paint, it is the styles of the building. Okay, so number three, learn JavaScript. So JavaScript, what is JavaScript? Okay, JavaScript will be our in our websites, will be working in our website's behavior. Okay, this will this will be the JavaScript will be used. Okay, and learned PHP scripting language. Okay, this PHP, the meaning of this PHP in the late 19 okay, what year is that? I forgot. PHP is a personal home program. Okay, but they have changed it, and now is the hypertext processor, hypertext preprocessor. Okay, this is the backbone of our websites. Okay, this will make a website dynamic. Okay, and we will be learning that PHP when we are through with the 3 steps. Okay, so let's learn before we go to coding, actual coding. And you must install first the softwares that I have mentioned here, the Sublime Text or any text editor that you want, and you are comfortable to use it. Okay, for our server, the XAMPP, so you can download it because I will be giving you the link for it. Okay, so okay, that's the end of the slide. So let's start coding. Okay, open. Okay, let's escape this. So let's start coding. So if you have installed the xampp, it will be the folder will created here in local disk C, or anywhere that you have installed the xampp server. Okay, so you just have to enter here, and then let's go to htdocs, and we have to make a new folder for our tutorial. Okay, so I'll be making it I'll make a folder name to okay, okay, so this is our folder. Okay, so we have created a folder within the htdocs folder, and then we go to our text editor. I have installed a Sublime Text in my computer, and so let's make a new file. Okay, Control N. So you just have to type HTML. Okay, just save it first. So go to htdocs folder, and then go to the folder that you have created earlier. The here is I have created a tuts folder, so let's enter and then save the file. And I am making it index.html. okay, index.html. so let's check if we have saved it. Here is my folder, and okay, this is the index.html, but it doesn't have any text yet, so we have to make an HTML tag for that. So let's type in HTML. If you type HTML in Sublime Text and hit enter, this will become a automatically this will add the whole markup for our page. Okay, so let's make a title. So I will name it tutorials. Okay, so this is the head, this is the body, and if we have write something in the body, it will show the words or the signs or the text that we have typed in the body tag. Okay, so let's save it for sample. So let's go to our folder. Okay, our folder tuts, and let's open it. I will be opening it to Chrome browser or Firefox. So this is these are the texts that I have typed, I have entered in the body tag. Okay, these are the text that I have entered here, so you can see it. Okay, here it is. So let's zoom it 130%. So these are the text, this is the body, and the title of our the title will be going here. Okay, this is the title of our page here. Okay, so let's start making a HTML tags. Okay, so let's start with h1 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 tag is a HTML tag element. Okay, these are the elements. So this is, for example, header. Let's save it and refresh the browser, refresh our page, the index.html, refresh it, and there, here is our header tag. Okay, so let's make another tag. Let's make an h1 h2 h3 h2 h3 h4 h5 and h6. So why is there is like here in our tags. So I will explain it. Control S for save. This is the opening tag for our header, this is the closing tag for our header. So this slash here will be our closing tag for our h1, and this is our opening tag. So let's zoom in here. This is our opening tag for our h2, and this is the closing tag for our h2. So and so on. If you have C, or okay, this is the opening tag of our title, this is the closing tag of our title, this is the opening tag of our head, this is the closing tag of our head. Okay, and for body, this is our opening tag for body, and this is the closing tag for our body. Okay, this is HTML, and this is the closing tag of HTML. Okay, so whatever text in here in the body tag, this will be shown in our page or in our index.html. So let's Control S for save. Let's start. Okay, so this is h1 tag, this is the h2, h3, h4, h5, and h6. Okay, so let's make another tag. Okay, so let's make a p tag is a paragraph tag. Let's enter. Okay. This is my paragraph. Okay. Whatever text that is being written in between the opening and closing tag of the element will be shown in our um, in our body tab. Okay, so let's restart. Okay, this is my paragraph. So this is the paragraph that we have created here. Okay, so then how to insert, how to make an image in our, how to add image in our page, in our index.html. So let's make image img tag. Insert this src. This is the source of our image. So let's make example image here. I have pictures. Okay, here. Let's copy. Let's copy and paste it in our folder. Okay, this is our folder 2. Paste it here. Okay, puno that JPG. So let's code here. Okay, so let's call the path of our image to be displayed on our HTML or our page. Okay, so whatever name here, this is the name of our file. Okay, you have just to copy the name and let's go to our code. Within the source, within this source attribute, this is what we call attribute. Within this quotation mark, you have to paste it here. Okay, the file name of our image. So let's save it. Control S. Control S. Okay. Let's refresh the browser. Our index.html. Refresh. Okay. This is the image that I have bold and put here in our image tag. Okay, this is the file name of our image. This is the result. This is the image of our HTML image tag. Okay. And then let's make another HTML tag. So let's have a what we have to make for our text spam. So span is another HTML tag that will hold a and let's refresh. This is the span elements. Okay, this is now. I want to make a horizontal line. I want to make a horizontal line. So you just have to make a or picture or horizontal. Let's refresh. This is not the horizontal line here. Below here, you see it here. Here's the horizontal line. So if you're going to make a new line, for example, I don't want it here. I don't want the span tag here. I want to be going to make it look the image. So you just have to make a break for our new line. Okay, so let's start the browser. Hyperindex.html. Okay, here it is. Here is our span because we have made a break after the image tag here, image and break, and that's why it makes it below the image tag. Okay, here is our span below the image tag. Okay, so another element, another HTML elements. Okay, I want to make a tag. This is okay. This is the div tag, our division. So this will make our sample box for this. Okay, this will be our container for our text. So I will be within the element. I will be typing a paragraph because why not? It can handle the element that can handle another element. Okay, or any that can handle any elements within it. Within it. Okay, so I will make paragraph. This is a sample paragraph. So let's save it and let's refresh. Okay, this is a sample paragraph. So where is the div tag? Here is the div element. Okay, so we didn't see it because we didn't make a design for it to make it visible, but it's the container of the paragraph here. Okay, let's I will show you some CSS to just for this tag to make it visible in our eyes. Okay, so I will be styling it. So this is what we call a um, AM, no, an inline CSS. This is just for temporary style, so that I can show you the div where it is. Okay, style. I will be making border 1 pixel solid, and I will be making a color red. Okay, no, 3D. This is a some value of our color. Below P, and refresh the index.html. Yes, refresh. Okay, as you can see, okay, here is our div border. This is the border of our div element. Okay, so I will make a color for our div. So let's get background color. And I will just say F3. This is the background color for our development. Just save it, save Ctrl S, and refresh. Okay, as you can see, the color here is different. This is the color F3. Okay, this is the color. So I will make another color, and I will name it blue, because why not? Can be blue, or can be hex value, or can be an text value for our color. Okay, so this is our div tag. This is the div and our paragraph. Okay, so as you can see, the blue, we have styled it a blue, a background color, and solid. So I didn't see. Okay, let's make it 3 pixel, and solid, I will be naming it black. Okay, so let's Ctrl S, save, and then refresh our browser. Okay, here is our border. This is the border of our div tag. Okay, so you can see it, and this is our paragraph. I will make it color. I will make a different color for our paragraph here, so that can be visible in our eyes. Okay, I will be styling it. Okay, within the P, within the opening tag of our paragraph, we have just to add our attributes. For example, inline CSS. Okay, so this say, so I will be changing the color, and the color will be white. Okay, color will be white for our text within this paragraph tag. So let's refresh. Okay, this will became be white color for our text in our paragraph tag. Okay, so okay, so I hope you learned something. I hope you learned something here for now. So this is just for now because it is I am so sleepy. I'm so sleepy, and it's 9:56 in the evening here, and maybe that's all for now. And stay tuned for our next tutorial for our web development. Okay, so I will just leave a good night, good morning, good afternoon to all of you. Okay, so thank you, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.